AquaMAX water heater valve is here. How to change? Here it's a nut here. Using Allen key, change remove the nut. Be careful and just pull it out. And when you pull it out, it might break it. This is my broken valve. Just how I took it, drill the broken parts and took it out and put the next one, new one, and put the screw and tight it. That's all. It's simple. Be careful when you drill it. Don't damage the outer ring. If you damage, it's all gone. Very careful. Very careful when you removing the broken parts of the valve. It's very simple. No need to call somebody, and just pull it out. It probably it might break it, right? Because I took it out. It was leaking and it was broken inside. I slowly drill using a small drill bit and took it out the broken parts and put the new one. Thank you. Bye.